Hey, Chris Matthew here. I'm experimenting with presence in the Magicverse again. You've probably seen some of my previous videos where I've got this Raspberry Pi, this little LED light here. As the light pack comes into its proximity, the beacon here in this little USB dongle tells the Raspberry Pi it's near, and the Raspberry Pi can call computes operations, turn off and on LED lights, etc. But then I started thinking, well, what if we attach this Magicverse like vortex to an IoT automation designer like Chirpers here? You could do some very interesting things, like in addition to calling computes operations, it could call a REST API that kicks off a flow. And in like this instance, walking into the Magicverse could basically trigger a flow that says, hello, Chris. And then it could do 100 other things, based on this automation. Leaving the space could maybe say goodbye, Chris. So let's see how this works. I'm going to plug this beacon into this light pack. We'll see that go green, and it should greet me. This would simulate us entering the space.
Hello, Chris.
Kind of cool, right? So the Raspberry Pi, the vortex, Magicverse vortex, detected me in its space. As I walk away, where it can't hear the beacon anymore, it should go back to blue and say goodbye.
Goodbye, Chris.
Pretty cool.